Hello, this is Jim and Kyle with DC Digital, demonstrating the procedure on how to set up the ultrasonic UT2F-GW-0E ultrasonic sensor. Usually from the factory it comes set up as a single point mode, but Kyle's going to take us through single point, window mode, and then 2-point mode. Now the sensor will only sense between what they call 300 millimeter to 6,000 millimeter, which roughly is 14 inches to 236 inches, or in feet it's like 1 feet to 20 feet. So anything below 1 feet or over 20 feet it will not detect. So I'm going to go ahead and have Kyle go into the setup procedure and also how to teach it how to sense something within a specific range.
All right, so to be able to change the mode that the sensor is in, you'll need to press and hold the button on the back of the unit for 8 seconds, at which point the LEDs will blink and you can release and you'll be in mode change. So to know which mode you are in, the left LED, if it is lit, you are in single point. The right LED, if it is lit, you will be in window mode. And if both LEDs are lit, you will be in 2-point mode. We will typically be using only single point mode, so you'll just want to make sure that that is changed to be doing it that way. So let me go ahead and engage mode change so you can see what that looks like. And one thing to note is that it is very quick. So if you don't press the button, within 1 to 2 seconds it will leave mode change, as you can see there. So you want to make sure that you're keeping an eye on it and doing it quickly so that it doesn't end up on the wrong mode. Now, as to how to teach it, once you're in the right mode, all you have to do is have the sensor pointing towards the object at the distance you would like it to detect at. Then simply press the button momentarily twice. And then after the second time it will flash to save, and it will now work at that distance. So if I push this away, you can see it stops. If I pull it closer, it resets the timer and goes again.
Okay, let me go to the timer itself then and show you. Let the audience know when you're moving
Away and close. Away and close. Now the sensor is a little sluggish because of the way ultrasonic works. It can take up to a second before it registers.
And that's when away, and then the sensor is detecting the object at the set distance. Okay, very good. Again, this is Kyle and Jim with DC Digital demonstrating the UT2F-GW-0E ultrasonic sensor, along with a bay timer that resets and starts. This is a 2.5-inch, 4-digit count up bay timer, DC-25 T-up term bay timer. Thank you for watching.